Hello everybody and welcome to my first vlog ever. This is a 1-month vlog. It took me so much time to do everything. Let's get started. As you can see, this is a gouache drawing. I kept on doing gouache since the last video. I have to admit I wasn't too happy with the outcome of this painting. However, I did other ones between this one and the previous one. You may have seen them if you follow me on Instagram. All my socials are linked in the box below, so feel free to follow me. Rabbit time! I always take the time to play with my rabbit. I love her so much, she's so cute. So here I'm taking pictures for my website. You can see my settings, very simple with 2 softboxes and 1 camera. Rabbit transition. This is my DIY background I use for Instagram. I wanted a more cohesive feed. If you want to do it, you need a wood board and the covering of your choice. I also added PVC tape on the edges. As they are uneven, I wasn't sure the covering would stick. It's a precaution I took, I don't know how it's working without it. It's very easy to do, you just have to take your time and be careful with the air bubble. Here, I cut the excess tape. Then I measured the wood board, marked with the scissor where I have to cut. Then, little by little, I start to stick the covering to the wood board. I start with the side by removing the masking paper very carefully. When this side is done, I flip the board. I make sure it's sticking to the edge. Now let's attack the surface. I keep on removing the masking paper carefully and little by little to make sure everything is flat and no bubbles are made in the process. I used it on my Instagram already, maybe you have seen it. So the post you can see is the first one with this layout. This is the editing of my previous video. Of course, this is a huge part of what I do. But by the way, did you see what's happening? I'm currently voiceovering my voiceover, kind of a voiceoverception here. The last part of this vlog is just a Paris walk with a nice weather, beautiful sky and clouds, the Seine river, the Eiffel Tower, and a little bit, well, a tiny bit of me. If those Paris footage inspire you to draw, do not hesitate to screenshot and tag me on Instagram, as I would love to see what you make out of it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like this kind of video, let me know in the comment and I will do more in the future. You can support by liking and subscribing, it's free. Bye!